Hi there. What I have here is a sample Java program in NetBeans that will show you the comparison and usage of a Java project and the package and the class. And that is our topic for today. So what is a Java project? Like in this example, our project name is Kahandab Number Edition. A project is a group of source files and the settings with which you build, run in the back those source files. In the IDE, all Java development has to take place within a project. As you start working on Java projects, you will not only be able to test your strengths and weaknesses, but you will also gain exposure that can be immensely helpful to boost your career. Some example of Java projects are we have the Airline Reservation system. One of the best ideas to start experimenting your hands-on Java projects for students is working on Airline Reservation system. This proposed Airline Reservation system could be a web-based project. It is a comprehensive passenger processing system that includes inventory, fares, e-ticket operations, and online transactions. Another example is the course management system. This is an excellent Java project for beginners. As the name suggests, this course management system is an online management software application designed for educational institutions. The primary goal of the project is to facilitate seamless interaction between students and instructors in schools, colleges, and universities concerning the submission of projects, assignments, theses, and receiving feedback from instructors. Another sample project, which is very timely in this pandemic time, is online medical management system. This is another web-based Java project that is designed to create a direct line of communication between doctors and patients. The project is known as Virtual Medicine Home. By using this application, patients can book online appointments with their preferred doctors, and doctors can offer healthcare suggestions, e-prescriptions, and view the patient's medical records, lab reports, etc. So those are the samples projects and many more sample projects out there. Sky is the limit. It is up to you what you think can be of help at this point in time. So that is what we mean by a project. Next, what is a Java package? Like in this example, our package name is Kahandab.number edition. A package in Java is used to group related classes. Think of it as a folder in a file directory. We use packages to avoid name conflicts and to write a better maintainable code. Packages are divided into two categories, such as, for example, we have the built-in packages. These are the packages from the Java API. API stands for Application Programming Interface. And then we have the another one, the user-defined packages. These are the packages that is created by the programmer. That is based on our example in the previous video lectures. So what are these built-in packages? The Java API is a library of pre-written classes that are free to use included in the Java development environment. The library contains components for managing input, database programming, and much more. So the complete list can be found at Oracle's website, as you can see on this screen. That is the link. The library is divided into packages and classes, meaning you can either import a single class along with its methods and attributes, or a whole package that contain all the classes that belong to the specified package. To use a class or a package from the library, you need to use the import keyword. Our syntax in importing a package or a class is to import a single class, we declare import package.name.class. And if we want to import the whole package, you type import package.name.asterisk. In our sample program, our class name is myclass.java. Line 1, we have import java.util.scanner. This line import the scanner class. So the scanner class is inside the java.util package. The java.util package is just one of the built-in packages that is available in the Java API. The reason why we import the scanner class here is just because we will be using the next line method. This is a built-in method that is inside the scanner class. Again, the scanner class is inside the java.util package, which is a built-in package of the Java API. And may I remind you that there are so many packages out there that we can choose from. Now on the next lines, we have the methods. Then as you can see in line 5 here, we declare our object first. So this is a standard syntax in using this scanner class. So we declare scanner my object equals new scanner system in. So this is a standard syntax that we need to follow. You can only um, replace the variable, like for example the username. So in the next line we have the variable username with data type string, meaning the user can input set of characters because we declare this string type here for our username variable. Next line, so we have system.out.println enter username. This is now the instructions for our compiler that asking the user to enter the username. After the text enter username will be displayed because of this command that we use. And then on the next line, we have here username equals my object. That next line. This is now the line that tells the compiler that whatever the user's input will be placed in our variable username. And then for our last line, we have the system.out.println username is plus username. This is now the line that gets the value, whatever the value that is an input from our user. So we have here the result. As you can see in our window output, we have first line enter username, the product of this line command, and then example the user input the string which is gahandab, and then we have the third line username gahandab. This is now the result of this instruction. So username is, and then the value of the our variable here, the username. Now let's have an example of a user-defined package. To create your own package, you need to understand that Java uses a file system directory to store them, just like folders in your computer. In our example here, we have the project name, Kahandap number edition, and we have our package name, kahandap.number edition, and our class name, we have kahandap number edition UI.java. So again, this is our class, this is our package, and this is our project. This is now our example of a Java class. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Everything in Java is associated with the classes and objects, along with its attributes and methods. A class is like an object constructor or a blueprint for creating objects. To create a class, we use the keyword class, just like in our previous example of a class. So this one is an example of a Java class inside the Java package, which is inside the Java project. A friendly reminder, dream bigger, do big. And that ends our discussion. Watch out for more video lectures. This is Mamsep signing out. Goodbye everyone. God bless.